Welcome to High Rock Capital Private Client Services. My name is Scott Tomlinson, and I am one of the two managing partners at High Rock. I'm going to walk you through an introduction to High Rock and a few of the key concepts that make our private client business unique. High Rock was originally founded by our other managing partner, Paul Tepsich, in 2010 to manage 4 funds for Scotiabank. And High Rock is registered with the Ontario, BC, Alberta, and Saskatchewan Securities Commissions. I joined Paul over 2.5 years ago to help build our private client business. And our clients are coming to us because they trust in our patient, no-nonsense approach to low-cost investing and wealth management. We know that managing a family's wealth is about 3 main things, and we strive each and every day to do all 3 extremely well. Why High Rock? Well, we started the private client division as a vehicle for investing our own money and invited those who have a similar investing philosophy to join us. Our money is in the exact same models as our clients, so we have a vested interest in protecting our capital and yours and finding the best risk-adjusted returns to get appropriate growth. We are obsessed with providing the optimal in client service with open and regular communication while upholding the highest standard of fiduciary duty, and we are at all times available to show you all your costs, both our fee and any hidden embedded ETF management expenses. Our team has a combined experience of over 70 years and the highest levels of education in the industry. More on that in a moment. Though it is not required, but because we want our clients to be certain that we are doing what we say we are doing, we have an independent review committee that monitors our portfolios to ensure that there is no conflict of interest. And we are the only portfolio management company in the country managing money on this type of platform to have one. Our team each have the highest levels of accreditation available in the investment industry. We all offer complementary skill sets to bring you the best possible combination of assessing your wealth needs and goals and developing the appropriate strategies to achieve them, managing your wealth, your risk, and your financial future. There is more about us on our website under the Team tab. If you are a steward of your family's wealth and not a gambler, we may be the right fit. Our High Rock Code of Conduct is geared towards the premise that we will always put our clients first. You can see these in more detail on our website on the home page by clicking on our Voluntary Code of Conduct button. In the June 2017 edition of the Small Investors Protection Association monthly newsletter, High Rock was singled out and recognized for our leadership role in the investment industry as a new breed where fiduciary responsibility and the client's interests are our first priority. We think that this is a really important part of the conversation about wealth management. At High Rock, we start with a wealth forecast prepared by our certified financial planner professional that will identify your goals and allow us to tailor a long-term strategy to your specific needs. This is followed by a portfolio strategy that is executed with disciplined, active, and tactical portfolio management, which you will likely not get with many advisors. We also have mine and Paul's regular blogs and our weekly webinar to keep you current on our thinking. We have quarterly reports, semi-annual reviews, and as much interaction with the portfolio managers as you wish. Very few fund managers, if any, will talk directly to their clients. Our private client division was established to take advantage of some of the synergies that come with the funds that we manage for Scotiabank. We are not stockbrokers, investment advisors, or financial advisors, or salesmen who farm their clients' money out to other portfolio managers like High Rock. We are a portfolio management company who has a clear understanding of wealth management. Unlike most advisors, we have a legal fiduciary responsibility to our clients, and our structure allows us to pass on our lower costs to you. Our fees are simple and transparent, and we fully disclose any hidden or embedded fees. And that is something that may not be the case with most advisors. In fact, we keep our costs down because we do not outsource portfolio management as many advisors do. In a low return environment, it is really important to pay attention to the costs of investing. Over a long period of time, the additional costs can compound and significantly impact your outcome. Our discipline is in our strict adherence to your goals-oriented investing, our structured models, protecting your capital, regular rebalancing, in-depth research, fiduciary responsibility, and a very high level of client service, which includes ongoing monitoring and review with you of your wealth forecast to determine if we are meeting our targets. There are many risks that we have to focus on an ongoing basis. The goal in managing all of these risks is to reduce overall volatility in our models and our portfolios. We call this achieving the best possible risk-adjusted returns. Not understanding all the risks in any given security can lead to losses, so we do our research and use our expertise and experience to understand and mitigate unwanted risks. At High Rock, we focus on the difference between the absolute returns and risk-adjusted returns. Again, this is the key to steady, less volatile portfolio swings, which help to elevate returns over longer periods of time. At High Rock, we have three models which we can create balance and diversification: a fixed income model, a global equity model, and as well we have a model that focuses on Canadian small to mid-sized companies with which we have a great deal of familiarity and deep levels of research. This is an active or tactical model intended to obtain better than average growth by seeking out companies that we believe are trading at prices well below their value. We use these models to create portfolio strategies that are in keeping with your desired goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, as is determined by your wealth forecast. Your accounts are held under your name at Raymond James, one of the largest wealth management companies in North America, who provides custodial and back office services for High Rock clients. They are your accounts and your securities. You just give us permission to make the appropriate trades in them. Raymond James is a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, which covers customers of members who have suffered or may suffer financial loss as a result of the insolvency of a member. So your accounts are protected for up to $1 million per account. If you'd like to learn more about High Rock Private Client and discuss any of this in more detail, please feel free to contact any of us by phone or email using this contact information. Thanks for taking the time to listen in. I hope that we hear from you soon.